I heard like a dish crash. Like, yeah, like.
I hear it.
I did. It was like.
I don't think
Fridge
you
is
can...
still open. What is the fridge?
Oh yeah, let's try. I'm gonna show you it here. Oh yeah, wait. Oh my god, look. Like, the fridge is open. For some reason,
The fridge is right
the
there.
fridge is right there. And it's open. It is open.
Wait, you guys
Open.
move.
Are you serious?
Like I heard a dish shatter.
Guys, come here. Let's go on the other side.
But it's weird because there's no dish on the wall.
What were you scared of?
No, nothing.
What is it?
Wait, never mind. I gotta go to the bathroom. Someone take hold.
No, I want something to drink. Me too. Okay, guys, I'm gonna scare him. This goes from my YouTube channel.
Can I have a drink?